Okay, let us discuss question number 3 of exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1, question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficients of the term other than the constant in the following expression. First part is 5 minus 3t square. So we have to find the numerical coefficient. What do you mean by the coefficient? Coefficient is always a numerical thing which comes before the variable. This is constant, so it will not have any coefficient. Hence, this is the variable term. So what will be the coefficient? Coefficient will be minus 3 is the coefficient of t square. This way we will be writing. Next, second part, let's see. 1 plus t square plus t cube. First of all, we'll see how many terms are there. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 3 signatures means plus sign. So 3 terms are there. On the basis of 3 terms, what we call it? Trinomial. Who will tell me the degree? On the basis of degree, what is the degree of the given algebraic expression? Since 3 is the maximum power, so 3 is the degree. Therefore, we'll call it as cubic algebraic expression, right? Or cubic polynomial. One and the same thing. Every algebraic expression is called polynomial. Do remember, right? So let's see so how many variable terms are there? So the coefficient of t square and t cube is 1. Okay, this way you have to do it. Clear? Question number 4. Again, identify the terms which contains x and give the coefficient of x. So we have to identify the term with x and then coefficient of x. Let's see, first part, y square x plus y. Which term contain x? This term. So the term is, so you have to write it. So the term containing x is y square x. Therefore, the coefficient of x is, what will be the coefficient of x? Since I told you how to do it, whenever we have to find the coefficient of any variable, remove that variable, whatever is left, that is the coefficient. So what is left is y square. Clear? This is how you have to do the question. Will you be able to do? Very easy to do. Any doubt anyone is having with this? So we can do it very easy. So you can do the second part also at the same time. Very easy. I'm doing one part, rest of the part you can try. In case you have any problem, we'll take the doubts in the later section. Okay. Question number 2. Let's see. I'll do one part, so try to understand it very carefully. I'll do one part. Question number 2. It's again, I discussed with you tree diagram. Did I? Yes. Didn't I? So tree diagram we'll be using. Question number 2. Identify terms, their factors in the following expression to show the terms and factor by the tree diagram. Very easy question. Question number 2. I'm taking first part, E minus AB plus 2B square minus 3A square. First of all, we write algebraic expression. This is the way of writing. Follow this method only. This is very important. Minus AB plus 2B square minus 3A square. Right? Then you will be writing the terms. How many terms are there? See how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3 terms are there. Minus AB, 2B square minus 3A square. You have to include the minus. So these are terms. Now, what else? Factors. I'll explain how will you represent minus. This minus will be represented with minus 1. You will not write minus A and B. You will write minus 1 and then A and B. Similarly, this how you will be writing 2B, B because B square is B into B. Now, minus 3A square again. Minus 1, 3A. This is the best way of representing it. Are we clear? This is how you will represent. Why it is called tree diagram because see, it has branches. It's in the form of tree having branches. That is why it is known as tree diagram. Algebraic expression first, then terms, then factors will be writing. Best way of representing, you will not write minus 3, instead you will be writing minus 1 into 3. Are we clear with this concept? Will you be able to do the question related to this? Any doubt anyone is having? Let's move on to question number 1 immediately. Question 1. Get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operation. We have to write, the statements are given and we have to convert those statements into an algebraic expression. First, subtraction of z from y. Subtraction of z from y. I'll explain you in case of subtraction. There is a word called from, the preposition from. See, the term before and after. Which term will be coming first? It's a great confusion between the students. Do remember the term before and after. The term after will come first. Okay? And the term before will come after. So interchanged. This is what happened is. And minus sign. For example, here B is here A. Subtraction of B from A. So A will come first, the term after from will come first, then minus sign because subtraction is there, and after that the term before from will come. So B. Are we clear? So this is how we do the subtraction part. Okay. So subtraction, first this thing will come, the from term, the term after from will come first, and the term before from will come after. Interchanged. Are we clear? So the question is subtraction of z from y. It means y minus z. Secondly, 1/2 of the sum of the numbers x and y. Do remember in the statement question, it is very important. Complete read the statement first and go from the far. Coming first, the sum of the numbers x and y. What do you mean by the sum of the number x and y? X plus 1 and their half. Their half. Many students might be thinking, sir, we can write this way also. But this means that you have halved only x, not y. But as per the question, the statement is sum of x and y and their half. That is why I have put x and y in the bracket so that this half can be equally distributed to them. Are we clear? This is very important. This is not the correct statement. Many students might be thinking that way. Next. The number z multiplied by itself, number z multiplied by itself is equal to z square. Okay. 1/4 of the product of numbers pq. First product means multiply and 1/4. Even if you write this as this is not a problem because in multiplication we know the number before is equally distributed to this. But in case of addition we have to put in the bracket. Okay. Then the next one. Numbers x and y both squared and added. Very important. Number x and y squared and added. What is coming first? Squaring is coming first. So squaring, squared first and then added. You can't write x plus y whole square. These are two different terms. This is different, this is term. As per the question, they need to be squared first and then needs to be added. Okay. Next, sixth part. The number 5 added to 3 times the product of mn. Product of 3m 3 times. And number 5 is added. This is what the statement is. Next, the product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. 10 product. This is last 8. The sum of numbers a b subtracted from their product. What is the product of a b? A into b and their sum. I told you after minus, this thing has to be in bracket. This is very, very important. After, whenever there is subtraction, after minus sign, the things needs to be in bracket. Why? I'll tell you. If you not put the bracket, answer should be like this. But if I write and if I open this bracket, what answer will come? They are two different things. That is why this bracket is very, very important because it signifies this minus sign is indicated with both. Otherwise, here it indicates this minus sign belongs to A. Are we clear? This is an important concept. So with this our exercise 12.1 is over. Let's move on to the concept Exercise 11.2, operations on algebraic expression. See, we can do addition, we can do multiplication, we can do subtraction, we can do division of algebraic expression. We will be given 2 algebraic expression, or maybe 3 or maybe 4, and we have to apply the operations. But in class 7, we are having only 2 operations to do, that is addition and subtraction. And I told you, for addition and subtraction, what is the main rule? Where is the addition and subtraction main rule follows? For addition and subtraction of any numbers, I told you, the terms must be like terms. The term must be like terms. This is very important condition. The terms must be like terms. Are we clear? If terms are not like, we cannot add or subtract them. First, if they are not like, we cannot. For example, x and y, I have to add. They are unlike terms, just I'll write this. And this is what the answer is. I cannot do anything on them. Answer is simply this. Are we clear? Let's do exercise 12.2. Let's move on to exercise 12.2. Question number 1. Simplify combining the like terms. Simplify means we have to get this simplified answer, very simple answer, by combining the like term. What do you mean by combining? Joining. Joining, it can be plus, it can be, but we have to join. We have to bring the like terms together. So simplify combining like terms. That is what the question is. Let's do it. First part, 21b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. See, what are the like terms? This term contains b, this term contains b, this term contains b. Power is 1, power is 1, power is 1, means these 3 terms are like terms. So we will be taking them first. 21b plus 7b minus 20b minus 32 as it is. Because it's not like term, so we will keep it separately. Now, b, I can take b as a common part. I'll explain you how I'm going to do it. 21 plus 7, 28, because b, that's a common part, so leave it. 21, we'll see the coefficients. 21 plus 7, 28, 28 minus 20. This is what the answer is. 21 plus 7, so 28b, 28b minus 20b minus 32. So it is 8b minus 32 is the answer. I have done it directly, means we can do it, that's not a problem. Step by step we have to follow. If you want, we can do it, that's not a problem, because simplification is there. See how it happened. Actually, 21b minus 7 plus 7b, 20b. What I did, I took b common. If I took b common, what is left? 21 plus 7 minus 20, and b as it is, because b's I have taken from here also, from here also, from here. After taking b common, what is left? 21. What is left? 7. What is left? Minus 20. 21 plus 7, that is 28. Minus 20, that is 8. 8b is the answer. That is why I have written 8b. Are we clear? So by taking common, we can do it. But I know, I will explain you how 8b. Because b is common, just we need to add the or subtract the coefficient. Just observe the coefficient and add and subtract. Whatever the operation is there, you have to do that way. Are we clear? Very easy to understand. Let's do question number part 2. I'll be doing the difficult part. Yeah, let's do second part. Minus z square plus 13z square minus 5z plus 7z cube minus 15z. Understand the question. Question is very easy. Yeah. So we have to take the like term. See, z variable is common. No problem. Z variable is common everywhere. Right. Secondly, power 2 means like terms. Power 1 means like term. This is left. But whenever we represent any algebraic expression, do remember the first important rule is we write algebraic expression in terms of power from descending powers to ascending power. What do you mean by ascending to descending power? Ascending or descending power means highest degree will be coming first. The term with highest degree will be coming first. Since it's a long term, so we'll be writing 7z cube. Now, after 3, what is the highest degree? 2. So we'll be writing z square minus plus 13z square minus 5z and minus 15z as it is. Now solve. this is as it is, not a problem because we don't have any like term. Now they are like term. Minus 1 plus 13, that is plus 12z square. Minus 5 minus 15, minus minus plus 5 plus 15, that is 20, minus 20z. This is the answer. Are we clear? But how we got? From here we have taken z square, means how we would have done? Minus 7z square plus 13z square. What we have done? Z square we have taken common. What is left? Minus 1 plus 13, minus 1 plus 13 is 12z square. 12z square as it is. Now let's move on to this. Minus 5z, minus 15z. So what we would have taken z common because it is coming in both. If it is coming in both, minus 5, minus 15, minus minus plus, minus 20z, minus 20. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having? How to do it? You need not to do this. You need not to do it. This is for your explanation. Need not to do. This is for your explanation. You can do directly the way I have done. Okay. Next, part 3. We'll be considering part 3 as it is. Very important. Let's move on to part 3. That is P minus Q minus P. First of all, we'll open the bracket. As per the rule, as per the board mass, we need to solve the bracket. P minus is outside, plus minus minus, minus minus plus, because this minus sign will be distributed equally, will be multiplied. Minus Q as it is, again minus, minus plus, minus plus, minus, minus minus plus. P, bring P to one side and keep Q to one side. Now, P minus P means 1 minus 1, because if I write P minus P, what I'll do, I'll take P common. What is left? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 into P is 0. So what I'll do, instead of writing 0, I'll simply cut, because plus minus, same terms can be cut. Do remember, same terms can be cut with plus minus. That is very important condition. Similarly, plus Q minus Q cut. What is left? P from this side and minus Q, which is your answer. Are we clear? Any doubt anyone is having in this question? So, rest of the parts you can do it. They are very easy. They are very easy. Let me do one more part of yours. That is sixth part. Let's understand the sixth part. 3y square plus 5y minus 4 minus 8y minus y square minus 4. Open the bracket please. 3y square plus 5y minus 4. Open the bracket. Outside minus is there. So minus will be multiplied with this and with this. So it will be minus 8y, because plus minus, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. Bring y square, bring like terms to one side. In the descending powers, very good. 5y minus 8y and plus 4 minus 4 simply cancel out because it's 0. 3 plus 1, 4y square, and plus 5 minus 8, that is minus 8. Plus minus minus, this is what the answer is, minus 2. Are we clear with the question? Any doubt anyone is having how to do it? Very simple question to do. Clear? Let's move on to question number 2, addition. We'll do the addition now. Addition. Let's observe how to do it. Same. The first question, it's exactly like the first question. We have to simply add the like terms. Let's see how we will add. That's important. Let's do it. Let's add the first terms immediately. Question number 2. Add. I'm doing second part. T, 8tz, 3tz minus z minus t. We have to add, okay? T, 8zt plus 3tz minus z plus z minus t. In this case, we need not to input the bracket. Why? Because we have to add. See, if we are writing addition sign will not change. Addition will not change the sign. Subtraction changes the sign, because minus minus plus and plus minus is minus. But in case of addition, if it's minus, it will remain remain minus. If it's plus, it will remain plus only. There is no change. It will not bring the change. Hence, no need to write. So directly t, bring the like terms to one side. T minus t, 8tz plus 3tz, z plus z. Plus z minus z cancel, plus t minus t cancel, minus 8 plus 3, that is minus 5. Tz is your answer. Very simple. Clear? Any doubt? Let me do rest of the questions so you can do it. That's very easy. Means there is no problem. I'm doing one more part. I'm taking fourth part. A plus b minus 3, b minus a plus 3, and a minus b plus 3. Okay, let's add a plus b minus 3 plus b minus a plus 3 plus a minus b plus 3. As it is, we can write because addition will not bring any change. A comes to one side, plus a minus a plus a plus b minus b minus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel, plus minus cancel. What is left? A plus b plus 3 is your answer. Are we clear? Very easy to do. Any doubt? Question number 3, subtraction. Let's move on to subtraction. Now see the change in subtraction. Earlier, already I have discussed you the rule. The from word comes in the subtraction. This needs to be subtracted from this. This needs to be subtracted from this. So I told you, whenever we are having the term from, the preposition from, what we have to do, the term after from will be coming first and the term before from will be coming after. Again, the term, for example, this is from, the term after from will be coming first and term before from will be coming after. Interchange. Clear? So question number 3, subtract. Let's do the subtraction part immediately. I'll do it. I'll do third part. Very easy. A minus b from a plus b. So from term will be coming first as it is, since subtraction minus, and this will remain in the bracket. Open the bracket, a plus b. This will be multiplied again as usual. Plus minus minus, minus minus, plus as it is. Okay, so we'll be writing a plus a, b plus b. So a minus a cancel out because same term. B plus b means 2b because 1 plus 1, that is 2b. Are we clear? Very simple. Let me do sixth part. Minus x squared plus 10x minus 5 from 5x minus 10. Now 5x minus 10 because from term will be coming first, minus x squared minus 10x minus 5x. Open the bracket, 5x minus 10 plus plus minus minus plus x squared plus minus 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 plus. Now see, x squared term is not there with us. It is a known term, so we'll be writing as per the rule it should come first. Next, what is the next degree? Plus 5x minus 10x minus 10 plus 5. Solve it. X square as it is. Now plus minus, plus 5 minus 10, plus minus minus, so 5 will come, 5x, but since minus 10 is greater, minus will come. Again plus minus, minus minus 10, so this is what the answer is. Are we clear? Now observe one thing. I want to discuss one thing from you. Let me take part 1 and 2 with you because I want to discuss one important concept with you. Let's observe these questions. First part, minus 5y square from y square. So y square will be coming first. Since subtraction is there, it will be kept in the bracket. After subtraction, whatever is there, you have to keep in the bracket. Open the bracket, minus minus plus 5y square. If I add plus 1 plus 5, that is 6y square. See what happened? Since we subtracted a negative number from a positive number, answer is positive. Since we subtracted a positive number from the negative number, your answer is negative. Your answer is positive. Negative number from a positive number, your answer is positive. Observe the second part. Observe the second part immediately. 6xy from minus 12xy. Now observe, minus 12xy because from term minus 6y. Open the bracket, minus 12xy minus 6xy. Minus minus plus 18xy. But since both sign, so minus 18xy. Observe what happened now. Subtraction of a positive number from a negative number will always give you a negative result. This is the rule. This is what algebraic expression we have to. Why? Because from a negative number itself we are subtracting the positive. Answer should be negative. Subtraction is then we are deducting, so it will take more lesser. Here what happened? From a positive number we subtracted a negative number. The number increasing. And it's decreasing. The value is decreasing. This is what. So subtraction always, you cannot say that subtraction always leads to the lesser value. It always, the result may be greater. The result may be larger also. Are we clear with this? Let's do question number 4. What should be added to, very easy. What should be added to 3x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? Understand the question 4. Let the number to be added. Let the number to be added be a. I am taking any expression a. So what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square? What should be added? We are adding a because we don't know the value of a, because a is the variable. To obtain 2x square plus 3xy. Linear equation. Can we say it's a linear equation? No, it's not a linear equation, but it's an equation. How to solve? We have to find the value. We have to find the solution. Simply transposing. So a will be keeping as it is. 2x square plus 3xy. We'll change. Here plus, there minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Any doubt? Simple a. Like term on one side. 3xy minus xy minus y square as it is because it's a known term. A. Plus 1. 2 minus 1, that is 1 x square. If no, we know already 1 is there. Plus 3 minus 1, that is 2xy, and this y square as it is. It means if we add this value to this, we'll be getting this. Let's check. Are we getting that? Check. So x square plus xy plus y square, on adding this x square plus 2xy minus y. Are we getting that? So let's see. X square 2x square, xy plus xy 2xy 3xy plus y square minus y square cancel. This is what? Yes, this is hence verified also. I have verified your answer also. Are we clear? So this is how we'll take the expression to be a. You can take any variable. I give you a hint. Since xy is included, take a. If abc was included, take x. You can take any variable, but this is the best solution according to our question. This is the best solution I can provide you. Very easy. Hardly a 3-liner answer. Within 3 lines you will get the answer. Otherwise you will keep on doing that way, which I don't want to. Okay. There is one more method basically of doing. I'll tell you. That I call a convectional method. Now, same question. B part, what should be subtracted? What should be subtracted in case of subtraction? Let's see what is that. B part. What should be subtracted from? Okay. So B part, what should be? Let the number or expression to be subtracted. B. Since ABC is given, I will be taking X. According to our question, what should be subtracted from 2A minus 8B plus 10? What should be subtracted? Minus 8 subtraction to get minus 3A minus 7B plus 16. Now observe how to do this question. Very easy, same rule. We have to find the value of x, keep minus x as it is and take all the terms there. Minus 3a plus 7b plus 16 minus 2a minus 8b minus 10 as it is. Keep minus sign as it is. Now minus 3a minus 2a plus 7b minus 8b plus 16 minus 10. So solve it. Minus 3 minus 2 minus 5a plus 7 minus 8 minus 1b and plus 16 minus 10, that is 6. Now minus sign. But we have to find the value of x. So what will happen? This minus sign will go that side now. If this minus sign will go that side, what will happen? This minus sign will be multiplied with this. Because it will, even if we will take in divide condition. So whenever minus sign is there, if you want to change it positive, change the sign of that LHS. Again I am repeating, if on LHS side you are having minus sign, what you will do to make it positive, you will change the signs on the RHS side. Immediately 5a b plus 6. Sorry, here plus 6 was coming, so here minus 6 will come. So what is the value of this? This. Let's check. Again we'll check. Subtract 2a plus 8b minus 10. Subtracting this 5a plus b minus 6. Open the bracket. 2a plus 8b minus 10 minus 5 minus b plus 6. 2a minus 5a, 8b minus b minus 10 plus 6. It will be minus 3a minus 8 plus 7b and this will be plus 4. Something wrong I have written? I have written something wrong? 5a plus b. Yeah, this is what the correct answer is. I have written something. Okay, it's plus 10. Sorry, plus 10. Here it is plus 10. So plus 16. See, verified. We are getting this. Hence verified. Are we clear? Next question. Question number 5th is exactly same. What should be taken away from this to obtain this? Same. Taken away means subtraction. Question number 6, I am doing B part. Question number 5, homework same. Question number 6, B part. From the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Question. Looks very difficult question, but it's very easy. From the sum of this, subtract the sum of this. Means, we'll sum up this first, we'll sum up this first, and from this, we have to subtract this. This is the question. From the sum of these, we have to subtract the sum of these. Okay. So first of all, we'll add, we'll sum up. What we'll be getting? We'll be writing 6x square, 2x square plus 3x minus 4x, 4 plus 5. Right? So 2x square plus minus 4 minus 3, that is minus x plus 9. 1 we got this. Similarly, next from the sum of this, 3x square minus 5x plus so I'll be writing because since minus sign is there, I'll be taking so that there is no confusion. 3x square minus 5x minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Clear? Now 3x square minus x square minus 5x plus 2x plus 5 as it is. Now 3 minus 1, 2x square, 5 minus 2 minus 3x plus 5. This is what the result is. Now from the sum of this, we have to subtract this. So tell me what will come first. This will come first or this will come first? From the sum of this, subtract this. From term, which is the term that is after from. Subtract this from. So from this, so it means this will come first. Subtract this. Open the bracket. Plus minus 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 plus plus minus minus 2x square minus 2x square minus x plus 3x 9 minus 5. Cancel like terms, same coefficient minus. It is 2x because plus x plus 4. What is the answer? 2x minus 4. 2x plus 4 is 10. See, such a lengthy question and such a brilliant answer and such a small and concise answer. This is what is the benefit of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression converts the lengthier statements into smaller equations. Writing such a big equation like we did in simple equations too, it's very easy. By this, your exercise 12.2 is also over. Till then, take care. We'll do in the next exercises 12.3, which is very easy to find the solution or find the value of any algebraic expression putting the values in the given algebraic expression. Very easy to do. Till then, take care.